Hojicha. Pero hindi siya cold. But itong pinasa ko sa inyo, that's the original loose leaf form. So, usually binubrew lang din siya with water. Ayan. So, pero with matcha, what makes it unique really is like all of the processes that it goes through. So actually from China. So the actual process of grinding tea leaves into powder actually started in China. So yung mismo tea, of course, it's also process, rituals, and ceremonies, culture surrounding matcha in Japan got started throughout the 16th century. Tuloy bang magmamahal yung prices ng So, these are what you always hear, diba? Even sa mga cafes, they say uji matcha, sa chocolate, sa mga iba-ibang products. Pero that's one of the biggest scams. Kasi uji is a very small place in Japan. Actually, sa amin, yung iba nilalagyan lang ng brand. Parang nagiging for marketing lang. The percentage, pinakamataas na percentage comes from uji. So what they do actually is they bring in from nearby regions and malapit din sa harvested from those regions and pinaprocess nila sa uji. But it doesn't mean naman na other matcha from other regions are not good. So there's a lot of good matcha that's coming from other regions. So the biggest producer next is Yame. So the biggest Hiroshima. Block sunlight, the plants have to work extra is responsible for. They have benefits. So because of shading, nabuboost yung harvesting. Ito na yung end.
Any numbers?
Wow.
Ito. Nabigay ko ito. Kumanto ka sa kanila. Bigay ka na lang pala. Care po.
Sabay.
Wala po dito.
Wala si Five.
5. Gagawa.
Pwede pang makeup.
Ay, wow.
Alright, everybody done?
Yes.
For its color,
Right.
meron actually before marami mga nagtatry nila. Like, ang laki ng difference from night and day as you go from 1 to number 5. So, that's, yun yung one of the easiest indicators of quality. So, number 1, yun yung ideal. 1 and 2 actually, medyo close sila. That's what we were looking for in matcha. Yung vibrant, bright green color. Kasi, sorry. The particle size is very small, so pumapasok siya doon sa microgrooves ng paper. So, lumulusot siya. So, talagang covered na entirely yung paper. So, pero that's really to see yung particle size niya. So, if it's, si Aki from Matchanis. So, ito yung gagamitin natin later for lattes. So, this is also the matcha we use in our stores for roller drinks. So, Aki. So, I'm sure some of you might be familiar. Ayan. Hindi naman to bash, pero yun yan. Just to show lang yung different matcha powders.
Not to bash, but
Slightly.
Something everyday drink siguro.
Ang tawid.
Kasi yung price niya is very, very cheap. Like pang for matcha, remains to your mouth after drinking
This
it.
one's active.
So yung isa pa is quick para dun sa taste notes, tapos dun sa
Unang tubig. Ulitin natin.
Ulitin.
Only myself.
Ulitin ba?
Balik daw.
Ubus na.
Very
Naubos na.
Ubus na.
Ngayon ko lang din na-review sa Urayamas tea. So, or medyo similar for you.
Stronger at
First one, yung Aki, better. How about the second one, Gurayama?
Pampagising yung set.
Second.
bias kasi namin malaki.
Pang morning.
What do you like about Gurayama? What do you like to share?
Feel ko mas strong yung ano niya. Taste niya in a way na, kumbaga sa kape po, yung caffeine niya parang matapang.
Matapang for you.
Opo.
How about same with others?
Kaya ka ipaglaban.
Ayan, then for peanut butter.
Mm.
And yeah, when you drink it, mas not yung taste niya. May slightly sharp na natin taste.
Parang parehas na yung amoy niya. Ay, hindi.
Ayan. Medyo kakaiba yung lasa ng aperitivo first. Medyo mas okay pa naman, medyo smooth pa
I
naman.
will learn to love.
Usually lang meron lang.
Siya yung mahirap mahal. Natawa siya.
Your taste na yun. Parang,
Ito?
opo.
Um,
Paano siya i-describe? Parang matagal siyang umaano sa panlasa.
yung medyo lingering na taste. Yung iba kasing ingay, yung iba kasi pag sinabi mong flat na taste, pag kainom mo, like yun lang yung taste.
Yeah.
Yun naman kainom mo, medyo bago na taste, medyo yung taste, medyo
Kamahal
right.
pa.
Yeah, medyo mas ngayon ang content pero yeah.
Pwedeng mahalin.
Any other questions or things you want to share before we proceed? I'll turn over for the second part of our workshop to Bea.
And it's called Chavo You or the Art of Tea. Like what you mentioned earlier about being mindful in the present moment, like appreciating everything. So yun yung principles actually when they're performing a Japanese tea ceremony. So it's not just about making tea for them. Right, so like what I mentioned earlier about 3 to 4, usually it's our base because it's very beginner friendly and it still catches the umami of the matcha. Then after that, just use your chashaku to sift your matcha powder. And then start that. So start with the circular motion and you can do the dot dot. So usually I sip rather and never do for just like 1 2 seconds kasi it helps like remove the clogs. Also, silip lang sa ilalim if there's still clogs. Then 40 grams of water. So madali nang matandaan yung prop.
grams.
Alright, so 4 grams.
4 grams. Tapos na ng bagong food.
Depende po sa pangangailangan.
Nakabaka.
Nice. Oh, it's kami to. Yes.
Okay.
And then start sifting.
I don't need to reset. Sip ko muna. This time. Okay.
Yes.
It's ready for wine.
Pwede po bang inumin na agad? Para matikman.
Yeah, you can na po. Pwede niyo pong damihan actually, preference.
Siyempre, masarap na.
Try ko naman
Promise
yung
na outside gamit natin.
condense.
Sorry, but the price is now.
For example, ito kami, may mas better pang quality na
Hindi. Ayun naman natin. So, kasi kita. 90 here.
we want them to make
Paano pag may sweetener po? May sweetener pa.
You can add this cold whisk, diba? So for the cold whisk, kasi ilalagay siya sa bowl. I suggest dito nyo na lang siya ihalo sa bowl.
Okay.
And then if you want sweeten,
Let's go with the real world.
the cold whisk base, and then yung night.
Dadalaman. Ceremonial green. Hindi. Be careful.
It's a yes. It's a yes. It's a yes.
Yung akin gusto, Mitsukoshi ko bumili. Yung mga maganda.
Asa Mitsukoshi? Ano dyan? Like mga bowl,
Pero
then
hindi ko expert. Baka mas may alam silang ano.
Mitsukoshi. Sounds weird. Which
Sa
one?
ano, sa baba.
Ay, sa baba lang. Ay, sa parang wholesale nila na area.
Kasi naghahanap talaga ako po.
Okay, by the bowls.
Sa Mitsukoshi.
Ng matcha powder.
Saka yung mga dairy.
Yeah,
Pwede rin din.
I haven't tried their matcha powder.
Siyempre dapat kanila.
Kasi galing Japan yun eh.
Sa baba. May
It's
mga
supposed to be good.
I think we need to cover baka mag-accident.
Ay, oo nga.
Tapos,
Asan yung taka?
Parang binigyan ako ng Japanese.
So, this certificate of participation is proudly presented to Leslie Monica Mendoza.
Let's go, Leslie.
Application and participation in the
Congratulations.
with us 2 sticker packs.
cute.
Tapos may
Really good.
Kami lalagyan tayo.
Cutie.
okay, it's proudly presented to Patricia.
Yay! 1-1.
Thank you.
Certificate is proudly presented to KD Zacharias.
Yes.
Sticker.
Sino yan?
Ato si. Okay.
Paano control?
Last na lang po for photo.
Okay.
Yay! The aftermath.
Kain naman kami Chinese food. Beef lang yung noodles, crispy noodles ko. Steamed beef bun, shrimp ravioli.
Ano kaya? Ano kaya yun?
Chanel certificate. I graduated. Matcha cum laude.
So, ano kasulat?
Joke lang. Sinasabi ko lang. Pa-frame mo yan.
Hello? Ay,
Ito daw may 1,000 pesos off sa Lindsay. Ay, ang cute naman. Stickers. Matcha is always a great idea.
to? Ano tong? Chili.
Kasi parang sumakit yung ulo ko.
Pag-pray.
Isa yung ulo ko.
Pag-pray.
Ayan yung 540. Ikaw naman mag-vlog.
Try natin tong ano,
Sige.
Chinese beef noodle. Okay. So, meron, ano tong ano sa akin? Anong tawag dito? Braised noodles.
Braised noodles.
Tapos meron ako in order na century egg, ginger. Garlic ba yun o to ginger?
Tikman ko muna yung sabaw. Lasang curry nga. Tama yung pangamoy ko.
Tingnan natin kung is it abay or abay. Sarap talaga ng Chinese.
Sarap yung noodles nila.
Ito, itong amoy na to. Sabi nila, pag kakain ka daw ng noodles, kailangan sabaw muna. Yung beef. Try natin yung beef kung malambot. Tender. Hindi siya masyadong manghang.
Ito sa ito.
Iba yun. Vase yun yung nasa kwarto ko. Thank you.
Ano yung green chili?
Mm. Ang tawag dito? Shrimp dumpling. Mm. Mm. Ang sarap dahil para di mo na alam.
Hanap na daw siya, bibili daw siya magic card.
Sino?
Ikaw, magic card.
Ayun na pumasok sa
You know? Heavenly bird. Neutral grounds, let's go. Gonna go home. Ay! Tumatay.